Hey, what's up guys, I'm Victor with PhoneArena and today we're testing video recording capabilities of the HTC U11 Plus. We're recording at 4K 30 frames per second on the U11 Plus. So let's take a look around. Let's move the phone down and up, and let's do this one more time, a little bit slower, to see how the phone adapts to different light conditions. And this is a really nice test at sunset. And let's move around forward a bit, see the stabilization. This phone has stabilization, so it should look okay. Now let's also test the zoom functionality. Let's do digital zoom. This phone only has one camera, no dual camera setups here. So let's zoom all the way in, see what that looks like, and now zoom back out to the regular viewing distance of this phone. And now what I'll do is step out of the frame and we'll test continuous autofocus. So I'll just put my hand in front of the camera, see if it can refocus on my hand, take it back, see if it can focus on the background, and once again my hand, see if it can focus, background, last time, hand, background. So that's it guys, a quick test of video capabilities of the HTC U11 Plus 4K video recording. Thanks for watching.